Friends, today we'll be discussing solved examples on conservation of momentum. First example is a bullet of mass 20 gram is horizontally fired with a velocity of 150 meter per second from a pistol of mass 2 kg. What is the recoil velocity of the pistol? So, what is meant by recoil velocity? When bullet is fired, the pistol will be moving in opposite direction, that is in backward direction. So, the velocity with which it moves is called recoil velocity. First, write down the given data. We have the mass of bullet as m1 equal to 20 gram. 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. So, 20 gram will be equal to 0.02 kilogram. And the mass of pistol is m2 equal to 2 kg. Initial velocities of bullet u1 and pistol u2 will be 0 because at the beginning both will be at stationary at rest. So u1 and u2 are 0. The final velocity of the bullet is v1 equal to plus 150 meter per second. Why positive sign is taken here? Because the direction of bullet is taken from left to right, positive by convention. So that is why positive sign is there. Let v be the recoil velocity of the pistol, that is v2 equal to v. Now total moment of the pistol and bullet before the fire when the gun is at rest will be equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2. u1 and u2 are 0, so 2 plus 0.02 into 0 will be equal to 0 kg meter per second. Total moment of the pistol and bullet after it is fired will be equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. v2 is nothing but v. So 0.02 into 150 plus 2 into v, this will be equal to 3 plus 2v kg meter per second. According to the law of conservation of momentum, total momenta after the fire is equal to total momenta before the fire. So both the quantities are already calculated. 3 plus 2v equal to 0. So v will be equal to minus 1.5 meter per second. So what is the meaning of negative sign? Negative sign indicates that the direction in which the pistol would recoil is opposite to that of bullet, that is right to left. Here in this image you can see before firing the pistol is at rest. After firing the bullet will be moving from left to right and the pistol would recoil in opposite to that of bullet, that is from right to left. So that is why there is negative sign. Let's see the second example. A girl of mass 40 kg jumps with a horizontal velocity of 5 meter per second onto a stationary cart with a frictionless wheels. The mass of the cart is 3 kg. What is her velocity as the cart starts moving? Assume that there is no external unbalanced force working in the horizontal direction. So mass of girl and the cart is given. Initial velocity of the girl is also known. Now here assumption is made that there is no external unbalanced force working in the horizontal direction. So let's write down the given data. Let v be the velocity of the girl on the cart as the cart starts moving. That is, after both will be moving with the same velocity after the interaction, that is v meter per second. So the total moment of the girl and cart before the interaction will be equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2. So 40 into 5 plus 3 into 0. At the beginning the cart is at rest, so its initial velocity will be 0. So this will be equal to 200 kg meter per second. Total moment after the interaction will be 40 plus 3 into v. After interaction both will be moving with the same velocity, v meter per second. So 40 plus 3 into v, this will be equal to 43v. According to the law of conservation of momentum, the total momentum is conserved during the interaction, that is 43v equal to 200. From this v will be equal to plus 4.65 meter per second. So what is the meaning of positive sign here? V will be equal to plus 4.65 meter per second. The girl on the cart would move with a velocity of 4.65 meter per second in the direction in which the girl jumped. So that is the meaning of positive sign. Both will be moving in the same direction with a velocity of 4.65 meter per second. Let's see next example. Two hockey players of opposite teams, while trying to hit a hockey ball on the ground, collide and immediately become entangled. One has a mass of 60 kg and was moving with a velocity of 5 meter per second, while the other has a mass of 55 kg and was moving faster with a velocity of 6 meter per second. towards the first player. In which direction and with what velocity will they move after they become entangled? Assume that the frictional force acting between the feet of the players and ground is negligible. So here masses of both the players and their velocities, initial velocities are known. And here assume that frictional force acting between the feet of the players and ground is negligible. So what is asked here is in which direction and with what velocity will they move after they become entangled. So both will be moving with the same velocity after they become entangled. So let's see. Here in this image you can see one player is moving from left to right. His mass is 60 kg and velocity is 5 meter per second. Another player is moving from right to left. His mass is 55 kg and velocity is 6 meter per second. So let's write down the given data. Let the first player be moving from left to right. By convention, left to right is taken as positive direction and thus right to left is negative direction. If symbols m and u represent the mass and initial velocity of the two players respectively, subscripts 1 and 2 in these physical quantities refer to the two hockey players. Thus m1 will be 60 kg, u1 will be plus 5 meter per second because the player is moving from left to right, and m2 is 55 kg and u2 will be minus 6 meter per second because player is moving from right to left. The total momentum of two players before the collision will be m1 u1 plus m2 u2. 60 into 5 plus 55 into minus 6. This will be equal to minus 30 kg meter per second. If v is the velocity of two entangled players after the collision, the total momentum then will be equal to m1 plus m2 into v. 60 plus 55 into v, this will be equal to 115 v kg meter per second. Equating the momenta of the system before and after collision in accordance with the law of conservation of momentum, we get v equal to minus 30 divided by 115. So v will be equal to minus 0.26 meter per second. So what is the meaning of negative sign? The two entangled players would move with a velocity of 0.26 meter per second from right to left. That is in the direction the second player was moving before the collision. So here in this image you can see the players will be moving with a velocity of 0.26 meter per second. So here in this image the direction should have been from right to left because there is negative sign. So here it is wrongly shown. So here in all these three examples, only thing you have to understand is what is m1 m2, what is u1 u2 and what is v1 v2, and after that you can apply the law of conservation of momentum and calculate the quantities asked in the problem. So this will be all about law of conservation of momentum. Thank you for watching.